Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change these sides, like how many sides your shape has in Canva. So this is a new feature, I think. So for instance, I get this square shape here, and as you can see there is the corner section. You can make your corners more rounded like this. You can also change how many sides your shape has now. So right now it's at 4. I want it to be a hexagon, so I'm going to do 6 instead. You can also make the corners again more rounded. And then for instance, I want more sides. I'm just going to keep adding sides. You can only add up to 18 sides, by the way. So yeah, you can even make a triangle now. Well, you can get the triangle, but now you can make it into a triangle from a square. I'm not sure about the other shapes. I don't think circle can do that. Just the square basic shape. So here, that's 3 sides, and then this is 5 sides, and then this is let's do 10 sides, because why not, you know. But yeah, that is it. I hope that this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.